Closing your Paytm account can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Open the Paytm app. Launch the Paytm app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to close. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on your profile icon, usually located at the top left or right corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Settings or Account Settings. Step 3. Find the Account Closure option. Scroll through the Settings menu until you find the option for Close Account or Deactivate Account. This option may be located under Privacy or Security settings. Step 4. Follow the closure instructions. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After completing the verification process, you will be prompted to confirm your decision to close the account. Review any warnings or information provided, then confirm to finalize the closure. Once you have completed these steps, your Paytm account will be closed. Make sure to withdraw any remaining balance and cancel any subscriptions linked to your account before proceeding.